Rengthama constituency along MP Kiliga Hud vote phan trokner kepra isi akile kilong constituency radapansi M Kurwang tu kapajir. Karbi lo Charlie asong pen career counseling ka Charlie Avarsai ka paklang. Bokajan Prana Vidyapit School along HSLC lapen HSSLC atsat lang ang tekiklang mesen. Kardom ada babirta long penili junaliti mungpi non birta ang ton pen arju ikha bidung Rengthama constituency IMAC mate CM Tuliram Ronghang Lok Sabha kilik ahut vote phan trokner kepra isi suse kilonga puthak mitha constituency songja tumphan Kurwang tu pajir pusi ladak birta nang pale. Kithom Autonomous District ST Lok Sabha Kiligahut Bitung Rengthama MSC constituency pen phan trokner kepra isi sose avot longsi Horen Singh Bea phan MP Pahaidun la so vote kilonga phan pen langdam pulote kidam tang MSC Kiligahut pen den vote kilong aphai kebat asonsi theklong Bitung Rengthama constituency MSC mate CM Tuliram Ronghang amithang constituency long vote aphai kebat aputhang Aruing koiraner kepani constituency arat pencing gijithan si kilik along kacirap song asongja atumaphan Kurwang tu pajir. Karbilu Charlie asong pen rong theang song asahem along aruing koiraner kepani career counseling la pen seminar cum scholarship guidance program padosi ka Charlie Avarsai paklang pon. Karbilu Charlie asong la pen Punjab Global Institute atum patir PC rong theang song asahem along career counseling la pen seminar cum scholarship guidance padosi Global Institute along Kacharli kedo Avarsai kachitong arisu nimso pimaraphan than pachini Global Institute Vice Chancellor Dr. Akasdeep Singh pensi Global along Kacharli Avarsai kedo alam than pachini laso krungsai along admission arpu kedo Harminder Singh Jorhat pen deposit das nang chitong dun
Global University Amritsar Punjab pen see that join into program to the career counseling program Tapi nasib program nong militum kecihok mate ningarong aja alang li jitu Global University pen jitu Vice Chancellor alang li dan nanti tongdu tapi ke ala tum dak career counseling dak itu students atum han tekan warrior students ada itu studies opportunity alang alang han tekan lapen ke itu government pen jitu scholarship ipon jitu kapre course pande tribal pen and youth minister central government pen jitu scholarship scheme salam tandalang masih dili tuniriang tu lamang lapan lo je karbiang long bang ke ajata hinsta me awareness bang ki duri bang dopi lang aja scholarship hin puno ajat government facilities puno pasti ili tu long bang ke tangka mah ki duri detan kali ada gitu itu inu da student matriculation kulidet tempat 10 plus kulidet amal kunas ki charli nahi ba khas itu duara bang ke mang bang dopi Kisuman kado bang tangka kabe tum bang kali tangka kado tum same jitu a course kini pa me jok ala kisuman ala sumar bang itu a course ke chali ni a course bang chali lo le kasi
we are very thankful to Kharapur Student Association for organizing such a wonderful career counseling session for the students of this region. So with their help we educated the students about the various courses, the programs and the eligibility criteria of the courses that are available at Global Institute Amritsar. We also told them about the job opportunities and about the subjects that they have to study in addition to the fee structure. And I feel happy to announce that we have a special scholarship schemes for the students of all the northeastern states.
Bokajan Rongsopi Ward number 7 along Kido Nongnam Kachithang Klong Pranab Vidyapit School lapen Pranab Jubilee College along Pining Surihini Rakresir Cap Aningkan HSLC lapen HSSLC asatlang angtek mesen mate phan pharo isi asatlang angtek wansi school lapen college phan nong mekiwan abirta phirang ke anon terang pen non hejong birta nang pele Kep asatlang along ki tokdun pangrum pet pen bang trok kep rapho abang pu bang piatum tokdun first division along bang prikep rahini second division along bang inkoy rahini lapen third division along inut laswang bong pen distinction bang hini star marks bang crazy lapen subject sir kep ra pho along letters long dun rinti non hejong halapu ingdeng kre hini asatlang science along bang trok si kep ra ner kep bang pu bang piatum satlang tokdun lo first division bang prikep ra sir kep second division along bang inkoy ner kep lapen third division along inut laswang bong ben distinction bang hini lapen star holder bang ner ke pang rumpet pen proxy ke prahini a subject along letter marks long dun lapen commerce along ta bang proxy ke pratrok abang phubang piatum satlang tok dun pen first division along bang cre trok second division along bang thom ke rapli lapen third division along bang inkoida trok distinction kilong inut lapen star holder bang trok pang rumpet pen a subject inkoida trok along letter marks long dun Pranavita Pit School lake Bharat Sevagram Sangha atum pensi kelang charipon lapen lada ke kiduk det ausomar atum aphan chingki je than dam lote inut bang hini atum aphan aki joy pen kapachali avar site pi ladak science commerce lapen pinning pen ke arts ta chari dun long po lapen amen ke chithap along satlang ki un aphai langle katoka be aphan ta warsai pipon Pranavita Pit School ke kidam tang 1998 aning kan pensi ke cheng lapen kep angdeng asat lang ki tok dun cheng lake 2007 aning kan henlo hala sahut bangkri ki thom atum satlang tok dun lo lapen bangkri ki thom atum anta satlang undun thai hala sahut pen pining anta kep asatlang lapen krehini at satlang along anta undun thai lang pusi principal patha de pen pachini non malom so poraphan birta moington pa iksana
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731, 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu long pon ikji.
Dihinamo piputat birtalong wangtulo. Asam Sahitya Sabha pen lamet sarpo rongbong terang apan lumerdai lamet anong e kepanong abirta karjulong pen karbi lamet amay atum lamet sarpo ahem palidam si aru inkoraner kep ani alang lipan kurwang thu pajirda. Asam Sahitya Sabha pen Tejpur along busik isi ani lamet kuru sarpo rong milir hahi sonse bang rongbong terang apan lumerdai lamet anong e pajir ponpo. Laso abirta karjulong pen aru inkoraner kep ani karbi lamet amay atum lamet sarpo terang ahem palidam si kurwang thu pajirda. Rong milir hahil sonse bang terang apan kurwang thu kapajirda malong mai phu suren kramsa chun bang kam sing hanse dun mai phu bang hini hukur sing rong pi liladhor teron bidisar sing kro lapen lamet trust mai phu joy sing tobi chitong dun. Jaipong Sport Association pen patir pipon si aduni phai inkoiraner kep ani pen hini angdeng Jaipong Sport Association Football League kapang chengpon abirta pherang ke rostam tok bipen birta nang pale. Hini angdeng Jaipong Sport Association Football League kapathu kapang chengpon amay long alhisar po aman apeng pen karbi anglong Sport Association kongchun bang pangkaj teron chitong dun lapen alhi aman pen SI Katharson ingti lapen National Referee Region Basumatri atum chitong dun. Kipathu pangcheng chia prang JSA amai pulong sing hanse pen JSA lama kang thurpon along kongchun bang Bikram timung pen si chirap dun lo abitu kachitong dun alhi atumapan karbia poho pen ongdung kachitong dun arat lapen kipathu bang puatum angno pachinipon karbi anglong Sport Association akongchun bang pangkaj teron pen kopuson kipathu pen si angsong angdeng ankile dun thekji mala haya puthak jumesen alam kipathu ke langdun arat lapen kipathu abang puatum angno lam theki jaipon pado.
Inspector lapen tu alang ling ahin mate lamal jan along kami alang penangan kepajan lapen penangan arti kiti junto alang kathar sango kathason kathar lapen tu pini dabang tu kiting siani nanti tongdun Jaipong Arab.
Football ke patu ke ceng ani kecepate dun ateran atum laki Bullet FC pen owe Chingri FC yang bongsik patu ponlo. Bangsu ke patu along Bullet FC atum ball pum thom an owe Chingri FC atum apan tablo lapen owe Chingri FC atum pen ball ipum ansi kacitu uncot ajok Bullet FC atum si ke patu kangpu mate ke ceng si ani kecipahai ponlo. Ada beberapa bangkela pansikang ton pa iklo tu mithakmi kuwang tu.